Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name M.Satria Salahuddin, name 34123111032. I am from the Mechanical Engineering class evening B1. Here, I want to explain about physical force. Physical force are fundamental interactions that exist in the universe and govern the motion and behavior for objects. They are a result of various interactions at the subatomic level and play a crucial role in shaping the physical world. Here are some key concepts to help explain physical force. 1. Fundamental force. There are 4 fundamental forces in the universe, each with its unique characteristic. 1. Gravitational force. This force is responsible for the attraction between all objects with mass. It is the weakest of the 4 forces but acts over long distance. Gravity is what keeps planets in orbit around stars and objects on Earth's surface. 1. Electromagnetic force. This force includes both electric and magnetic interaction. It governs the behavior of charged particles like electrons and protons. Electromagnetic force is responsible for everything from the attraction between magnets to the behavior of electrons in electrical circuit. 3. Strong nuclear force. This force binds protons and neutrons together within atomic nuclei. It is one of the strongest forces but acts only over extremely short distance, holding atomic nuclei together. 3. Weak nuclear force. This force is responsible for certain types of particle decays, like beta decay. It's much weaker than the other 3 forces and operates on a subatomic scale. 2. Contact and non-contact force. Force can be categorized into contact force, where objects physically touch and interact, and non-contact force, which can act over a distance without physical contact. For example, friction and tension in a rope are contact force, while gravity is a non-contact force. 3. Vector quantity. Force are vector quantities, meaning they have both magnitude, strength, and direction. To fully describe a force, you need to specify its strength, direction, and point of application. 4. Newton's laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion provide a framework for understanding how force affect the motion of objects. Newton's first law, or law of inertia. An object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Newton's second law. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. This law is often expressed as V ma, where V is the force, m is the mass, and I is the acceleration. Newton's third law, or action reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When one object exerts a force on another, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force back on the first object. 5. Unit of force. The SI unit for force is the Newton, and which is defined as the force required to accelerate a 1 kg mass by 1 meter per second square. 6. Application. Forces are everywhere in the physical world. They determine how objects move, why brakes stand, how machines work, and much more. Understanding force is crucial in fields like physics, engineering, and even everyday activities like driving car or playing sport. In summary, physical force are interactions that cause objects to accelerate, deform, or change in some way. They are fundamental to our understanding of the natural world and are described and quantified by various physical laws and principles. Okay, thank you.